Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Choosing an SSD transforms your photography workflow with clear speed advantages. An SSD with 1 TB capacity holds thousands of RAW files efficiently. NVMe SSDs deliver 500 to 7,000 MB/s read speeds for fast transfers and editing responsiveness. External SSDs over USB 3.2 provide 500 to 200 MB/s for on-the-go backup and review. SSDs reduce load times, speed previews, and shorten export times for large TIFF or PSD files. Investing in an SSD, setting up your SSD correctly prevents compatibility issues and speeds workflow. Format the SSD to exFAT for cross-platform use between Mac OS and Windows. Partition the drive to separate catalog files, Lightroom caches, and current shoots for organized access. Place your catalog and previews on the SSD while keeping long-term archives on larger drives. Enable trim in your operating system to maintain long-term SSD health and stable performance over time. Label volumes with clear names like Photos Work, Photos Archive, and Photos Temp. A reliable workflow keeps images safe and speeds post-processing. Copy camera cards to the SSD first, then verify checksums before erasing memory cards. Use fast SSDs for active work folders and sync to larger HDDs for cold storage each night. Maintain a 3-2-1 backup strategy, 3 copies, 2 different media, and 1 offsite copy for disaster recovery. Use cloning or incremental backup every 24 to 72 hours during extended shoots. Regularly monitor SSD health, available space, and firmware updates for consistent reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.